Tired of this error message popping up and all the chiming? Stay tuned. I'm going to show you how to get rid of it.
Hey, what's going on, everybody? In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset the oil life in your 2019 Jeep Cherokee. What I found is that what it says to do in the menu doesn't actually work. So here's a quick how-to. So first thing you're going to want to do is make sure your foot is off the brake and go ahead and turn the on switch to the on-run position. So the second one. And then you're going to want to come over here and cycle through to number 2, your vehicle info, and then press it 1, 2, 3, 4 times. It says hold OK to reset oil life.
Here's a more clear look at what this options menu screen looks like.
What I found is that when you hold OK, nothing actually happens. And what you have to do is put your foot on the accelerator and press down 5 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And your oil life will actually show 100%. So that way it works. Holding OK does not.
Once your meter reads 100%, then your oil change required light has been turned off and you will no longer see it until you need another oil change. As a side note, this meter is not mileage based. FCA states that it is computed using a number of factors such as engine load, engine runtime, and driving conditions. I'd like to remind you guys to check out my other videos, and if you found anything of value here, make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.